Okay, so this video shows where bedbugs hide in your home and how to find them. Fast, calm, useful steps to get started and begin reducing bites tonight. Here's the thing, you're probably tired and ready to act. This guide shows exactly where bedbugs hide, how to spot signs, and a step-by-step search so you can start reducing bites and treating the problem. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bedbugs, click the link below. This one's important. Understanding how bedbugs think makes searching easier. They prefer being close to people, squeeze into tight cracks, avoid light, and hide where they can lay eggs. You know what really helped us? Keeping those facts in mind. Bedbugs want to be near people. They're flat, so they squeeze into seams, they avoid light, and females hide where eggs are safe. So look in seams, gaps, folds, and dark narrow spaces near beds and seating. Okay, so work room by room and take your time. Use a bright flashlight and a steady method so you don't miss their favorite spots. Okay, so start in the bedroom and move room by room, slow and steady. Use a bright flashlight, magnifying glass if needed, latex gloves, and a stiff brush or credit card to probe seams. Keep a cup or sealable bag to capture live bugs for ID. Being methodical will help you find more hiding spots. This one's practical. Learn the signs of infestation so you can confirm bedbugs even if you don't see live bugs right away. Here's the thing. Live bugs are easiest to spot, but look for tiny eggs, shed skins, dark fecal spots, and small blood spots on sheets. If you don't see live bugs, those signs can still confirm an infestation. If you do find a bug, capture it in a sealed container for identification. This is where patience beats panic. A simple routine keeps you from spreading bugs and helps you find more of them. Okay, so here's a simple routine. Work from the bed outward and don't spread bugs to new areas. Inspect at night with a bright light and use a stiff brush or credit card to scrape seams. Put interceptors or double-sided tape under bed legs and reduce clutter before you start. Small steps keep you organized and safer. This one's urgent. If you find bedbugs, take calm, decisive action to reduce bites and begin treatment right away. Okay, so first things first, put a bedbug-proof mattress encasement on your mattress and box spring immediately. Wash all bedding and washable items in hot water and dry on high for at least 30 minutes. Put interceptors under bed legs, move the bed away from walls and furniture, and separate clean clothes into sealed bags. This part matters. Searching alone won't fix it. Pair your searches with treatments that kill on contact and products that keep killing afterward. You want two kinds of sprays, a contact spray to kill on contact and a residual spray to keep killing after it dries. Common approach is to spray twice per week for 1 month, then once per week for 2 to 3 months while you keep encasements, hot laundry, and interceptors in place. Keep cleaning and monitoring. This one's about patience. Stay consistent with monitoring and cleaning. Over time, you'll know if the infestation is gone. I promise persistence beats panic. Here's the test. Consistency is the key. Keep monitoring with interceptors and regular inspections. If you do not see live bed bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots for 3 consecutive months, you can be confident the infestation is likely gone. If signs come back, go right back to searching and treating the areas you find. This is a process. It takes persistence, not panic. Small, steady actions will move you from sleepless nights to peace of mind. This is a process. It takes persistence, not panic. Small, steady actions, searching methodically, mattress encasements, hot laundering, interceptors, and the right sprays on a schedule will move you toward peace of mind. You can beat this. To get the tools we recommend to make it happen, click the link below. Okay, so you've got a plan. Take one calm action tonight. Cover the mattress, run a hot load, and start inspecting. You can get your home back.